YouTube, is your main man TC the Barber, back with another haircut tutorial. We ain't even gonna waste no time, we just gonna get right into it. In this haircut tutorial, we're gonna be doing a simple skin fade, easy steps. So let's get right into it. So this first step with the Walls 5-star detail is I'm gonna be sending my first ball line around the head. Now that I got that line set in, I'm gonna come back and clean up the bottom of the fade, and then we can move on to our next step. Now this next step with the lever all the way open on my Walls Magic Clip, I'm going to go ahead and set in my first guideline going up about a ½ an inch around the whole head. Now this next step, I'm going to close the lever all the way and go ahead and start knocking out this ball line that I created. It's a very light line, so you hardly can see it, but it is there. Now as I go up on the fade, I'm going to open my lever up. Right now my lever is adjusted to half and I'm flicking right up to the first guideline. And I'm going to repeat the same steps in the back, starting with the lever closed. As I go higher on the fade, I'm going to open up. Now moving on to the next step with the lever all the way open. I got the number 1 guard on there right now, so I'm going to go ahead and set in my second guideline going up about a full inch this time around the whole head. Now coming back with the 1/16 guard with the lever all the way closed, we're going to go ahead and knock out the first guideline that I created. Now next we're going to open the lever halfway as we go up on the fade and continue to fade until this area is nice and blurry. Come around the back of the head, we're going to repeat the same steps. We're going to close that lever all the way up, start attacking this line. Now we're going to open that lever up halfway and we're going to knock that line completely out. Now I'm going to close that lever back up to hit this area, little spot that I felt like I needed to fade a little bit more. It's nothing wrong with going back and doing some detailing. Now I'm going to repeat the same step, starting with the lever closed, and as I go up on this fade, I'm going to open the lever up halfway, keeping it consistent. Now I'm going to be switching over to the 1.5 guard, and I got the lever all the way open, and I'm going to go off the prior ridge of the head and flick all the way up, as you can see, and then flick out. I'm going to repeat this same step going back around the head. Switching up to the 1 guard with the lever all the way open, I want to see what it takes off, and if it's not taking off enough, I'm going to close that lever up and continue fading. Now, as you see, I'm going to close that lever up and go ahead and start knocking out this line. Now jumping into the back, I'm just going to repeat the same step, starting out with the lever all the way open, see what it takes off. If it's not taking off enough, I'm going to close that lever up halfway and continue to work this fade. Alright, so this next step, we're going to start shaping them up. I'm going to be starting in the back, and then I'm working my way around the head. Alright, now we finished shaping it up, so now we're gonna put a line on that thing to bring this thing to life. Starting out with the middle, starting out in the middle. I always use the middle as a guide, and then y'all can just watch me work my magic. Alright YouTube, this is the cut. A real simple, easy skin fade with a nice sharp lining. Also, let me know what you guys think of the cut below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash them like buttons, and also the notification bell will let you know when I'm dropping my next video. TC the Barber, I'm out. Peace.